Hello everyone. Okay, so today, I'm in charge of the Korean class for today. So that's why that I try to make it as a class on a YouTube. Okay, so when you try to go for the class, I'd like to have some quick announcements. I'm only as the YouTube channel, which is called as the Kim's Korean Language, Culture, and Lifestyle. This is a YouTube channel that what I'm doing right now for making as the Korean content or English content and everything. So if you have any the questions about our that the website, and also I'd like you to subscribe, and then I hope that you can able to understand about the classes. So what we are going to discuss for today is about today's weather expression in Korean. You know that before that the former the actor Jim Carrey, that he used to learn about the Korean language, which says 청주 날씨는 어때요? So that's what we try to understand about the word, right? Okay, let's try to look at the vocabularies one by one. So let's try to repeat the vocabularies one by one. Weather, 날씨, 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 날씨. And there is a word called sunny. I will try to give as an opinion. 햇빛, 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 햇빛. And also the next thing is that the cloudy. And let's try to repeat on the word that we try to describe. 구름이 낀, 구름이 낀, 구름이 낀, 구름이 낀. And next there's a word called snowy. 눈이 오는. Let's try to repeat after me. 눈이 오는, 눈이 오는, 눈이 오는. And also there's a word called windy. Windy is 바람이 부는, 바람이 부는, 바람이 부는, 바람이 부는. And there's a word called rainy. Okay, let's try to repeat this word one by one. 비가 오는, 비가 오는, 비가 오는, 비가 오는. Okay, let's try to memorize these vocabularies one by one. Weather, 날씨, 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 날씨. Excuse me. I'm sorry for this because I think this is about the advertisement and everything. Okay, let's try to wait for some time. Okay, so let's try to repeat this word one by one. 날씨, 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 날씨. Okay, let's try to go for next one. Snowy. Headbeat, 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 headbeat. Headbeat means it describes a word as sunny, right? Or let's try to go for next one. The 구름이 낀, 구름이 낀, 구름이 낀, 구름이 낀. Now let's try to go for next one. Snowy. 눈이 오는, 눈이 오는, 눈이 오는, 눈이 오는. And there's a word called the windy. 바람이 부는, 바람이 부는, 바람이 부는, 바람이 부는. Now let's try to go for next one. Rainy. 비가 오는, 비가 오는. Okay, let's try to go for the first sentence. Okay, let's try to repeat this the sentence one by one. So whenever we try to discuss about the weather like in Seoul, let's try to repeat this word one by one. 서울 날씨는 어때요? 서울 날씨는 어때요? 서울 날씨는 어때요? 서울 날씨는 어때요? Okay, so whenever we try to discuss about how is the weather like in Seoul, it usually describes about how is the weather like in Seoul, right? That we try to say as. So let's try to repeat this word one by one. 햇빛이 나요. 햇빛이 나요. 햇빛이 나요. 햇빛이 나요. Okay, so whenever we try to describe about it's sunny, we try to say as 햇빛이 나요, right? Alright, let's try to go for the next one. Cloudy, 구름이 낀. It's cloudy. 구름이 꼈어요. Let's try to repeat after. 구름이 꼈어요. 구름이 꼈어요. Alright, let's try to go for next expression for the snowy, right? It's snowy. 눈이 와요. 눈이 와요. So the sentence called 눈이 와요. What do you mean by that? It describes about the snow is coming, right? Let's try to go for next one. The 바람이 불어요. It's windy. 바람이 불어요. 바람이 불어요. 바람이 불어요. 바람이 불어요. Or let's try to go for next one. It's raining. How do you say? 비가 와요. 비가 와요. 비가 와요. Okay, so whenever we try to use the word instead of so, like 부산, we try to say as 부산 날씨는 어때요? You can repeat after me. 부산 날씨는 어때요? So it's very simple. So whenever you try to describe about the many cities, you can able to change the word as so to Busan or Ulsan or everything, right? Alright, that's all for today's class. This is today's weather expression in Korean. So I will see you in next class. So next class, I'm going to describe about how to count numbers in Korean. So I will definitely upload it in YouTube. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.